Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another series of smartphone graphic design tips for those using smartphone for designs. So if you are using Pixellab, this video is for you. So in this video I will show you how to make icons blur, how to make your icons blur, or how to make objects or any shape or any elements in your design, how to make them look blur. These are part of things that you cannot find on Pixellab. Pixellab doesn't have this feature as well, but in this video I will show you how you can make any shape, object or icon to be blur in your design. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. So on my screen here I have sample of some icons in which I made blur. So this is the original icon. So after making it blur, it becomes like this. So, and this one also, this is the original one. Then after applying the blur effect, it becomes like this. So sometimes in your design you want to make some icons look blur like this. You want them to have this kind of blur or this kind of blur motions effect like this. So let me show you how you can achieve that. So let's proceed. So what you need to do is that, since Pixellab does not have the feature that will enable you to blur your objects or icons, you will need to use an external app to do that, and I'll show you the app. So let's proceed. So we have to go to this app here. The app is called PSCC. So this is a Photoshop app. The app is not actually available on Play Store, but there's an Adobe Express version which I think perform the same function with this particular app. Let's launch the app. This is the app here. So this is the app. So in case you can't find this app, or you can't find similar app like this on Play Store, check this video's description. I will drop a link to where you can get the app. But also check Play Store. There is an Adobe Express on Play Store. I think it might be able to perform the same action we are going to do here. But in case if that doesn't work, check the description of this video. You'll find a link around where you can get this app. So this is the app interface. So I have actually did some work with the app already. So let's proceed. So what you need to do is that you will have to import the icon or the image you want to blur into this app. So you click on this button here. You select photo from library to import the picture directly from your phone gallery. So I will come to this place. The image I want to use is in this folder here. Let's go to where the image is. Sorry. Okay, this is the image. Let me pick this one. So I will add it here. So this is the image. So what you need to do is you go up here and click on this FX here. You click on FX, which is effect. So you select directional blur, not Gaussian blur. Actually, you select directional blur. Let me cancel and click again. I click on effect. I select directional blur. So why I'm selecting directional blur is because directional blur will make the effect look as if the icon is in motion. Gaussian blur will just only make it blur, but directional blur will make it look like the object is in motion. Like, it's kind of, if you have worked with Photoshop before, there's a feature that allows you to create to make your icon have an emotion blur. It will look blur and as if it is in motion. So that's why I select directional blur. So once you click on it, then you select size here to set the size, to set how blurry you want the icon to look. So I click on this size here, then I will drag until I'm satisfied. So this is 52. Let me take it to 70. Okay, we have 70. So if you look this icon here, you will discover that the blur motion is coming from the side, from this side, it's coming to this side. So but I want you, if you want to change the direction of the blur motion, of the blur effect, I mean, you click on this angle here. click on it, but most time it's not necessary. If you just want your icon to be blur, you don't need to change the angle. So you can actually change the angle from here. Maybe you want the motion to be coming from another direction, you adjust it from this place here. You can take it from the top here, from this side. If you want the motion, the blur effect to go towards this direction, you take your angle here. If you want it to come this direction, you take it here. If you want it to the blur effect to be coming downward, you rotate your angle to this downward part and you click on OK. So you can see the effect is now coming from the top to the down, not from the left to the right anymore. So if you are okay with this, then you click on done. But I don't want this. I actually want mine to be actually want it to be in to be coming from this left to the right, right? So let's go back to this effect again. I want it to be coming from here like this, from the left to the right. So I'll drop it like this. So this is okay. I'll click on OK. So I think it's quite better like this. So I'll click on done. Now I will click on save. So now get this, after saving it, this icon will not go direct to your phone gallery. You need to export it to your gallery using this button below. So you click on this button to export it. You click here, then you click on save to gallery. Then you have to export it in PNG so that it will not create it will not have background. It will go with a transparent background. So you select PNG, you click the drop down button here to select PNG, then you select the image you want to export, which is this first one we just worked on. You select it and you click on OK. So now it has been pushed to your gallery, right? So let's go and check that. Let's go back to our Pixellab. So let me delete these ones I did before the beginning of this video. Sorry, let me delete this one. So let's import the blurred one. You click on import to import. So this is it. So our icon is now blur. So you see it. So let's do the same thing for this particular icon. I've already done that in the app already, but let's go back to that. Look at it here, this one here. I did it for one of the design I did some times ago. Let me redo that. Effect, directional blur. It will make it more blur since I have worked on it before. So all I have to do is just to reduce the size of the blur. Since this icon has already been made blur, I've already applied that effect on it before. So applying it on it again will make it become double and it will become more blur. So I have to adjust it backward a bit. I think it's okay like this. So I will save it. Then I will click on done at the top here. Done. Save. Right. So I will export it to gallery. Select PNG. And then I will select the icon. Then I'll click on OK. So it has been published to my phone gallery. So let's go back to Pixellab now. So now let's import it. So this is our icon here. So you can see our icon is now blur. So you cannot make your icon blur directly from Pixellab. You have to include an external app, which is this PSCC, Photoshop CC. So check for the app on Play Store. Check for Adobe Express. I think it performs the same action. But if you cannot find it, check this video's description. You see a link that will direct you. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and want other videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Drop a comment and you can also give us a like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.